Hi, we're marine bio students from Chadwick School. We and the students who came before us have been studying the intertidal of PV, and we have been documenting diversity and abundance declines in these environments. We are here to speak in support of MAP 3. We are speaking for the entire community. With large enough marine reserves, everyone will benefit. MAP 3 is the only map that includes intertidal areas in Palos Verdes, which we use extensively for our research here at Chadwick.
A reason you're receiving so much pressure to protect Rocky Point and other areas along the Palos Verdes coastline is because this is where fish can still be caught. If we continue to place the same fishing pressure on Rocky Point, its diversity and abundance will diminish, just as we have seen in our intertidal study sites.
MAP 3 is the only option that adheres to the science guidelines. We are asking you to extend the size of the reserve off of Palos Verdes to include Rocky Point.
We are giving up hope of securing our protection for our study site at Ocean Trails that was left off all maps in round 3. In exchange, we are asking you to extend the size of the PV SMR to include Rocky Point.
We stand together with alumni who came before us in an effort to protect our education and the education of generations of scientists to come. We began our journey just as those who came before us did, by collecting data and completing studies that we can learn from, then analyzing historical data to find patterns and trends pertaining to our coastline.
It would be consistent with all of the MLPA goals to extend the size of the SMR off of Palos Verdes to bring this reserve into the preferred range of the science guidelines. Because of the unique quality and diversity of the Rocky Point, we are asking that the BRTF extend the SMR off of Palos Verdes to encompass more of Rocky Point and Long Point. These important habitats protect marine life as well as migrating animals. On behalf of 5 years of marine bio students, thank you for giving us the opportunity to speak before you tonight and be involved in this process.
Okay, we saw the quiet pause and the signs.
Thank you all very much for being here. It's great to hear from you.
And Chair and Task Force Member, that was 20 cards that were seated to do that, and we stayed under our 2 minutes too. That's great.